Hello, I'm Dr. Smita Warrior, Senior Consultant Dermatologist and Aesthetic Physician at Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. Skincare in winter is very important, and simple measures that we adopt can provide glowing skin for throughout the season. So as always, the three things that we need to do as part of skincare routine is cleanse, tone and moisturize, as well as protect, that is with sunscreen. So in winter, the choice of products will vary because environment is dry, and depending on what our skin type is, we may have to pick products which suit us. So the best way to do this would be to take a prior consultation with a dermatologist, get the skin assessed, and then pick up products which suit our skin. Like for example, even oily skin could become dry in winter, and so a product that you use in summer or in monsoon may not suit you in winter. For most skin types, a mild cleanser is very suitable in winter. A toner would not be recommended because the toner removes the oiliness of the skin totally, and in winter we do not have surplus oil production on the skin, so a toner is not necessary. A moisturizer becomes important for people with oily skin because, like I mentioned, in winter oily skin also becomes combination, or even it may go towards the dry side. The third skincare routine which most people ignore in winter is sun protection. Sun protection is important throughout the year, more so in winter because we like to go out, we spend more time outdoors, and we are exposed to a lot of UV rays in winter. In addition, dry skin makes the skin very sensitive and it gets affected by UV damage easily. A good winter routine would be to do a cleanse, moisturize and sun protect the skin, along with a good healthy diet, about 30 to 45 minutes of exercise, and lot of water, plenty of water. Water is something which we tend to ignore when it is cold. We don't feel like drinking water. Hot water drains the skin of whatever minimal oil sebum is there on the skin. So using very hot water is not recommended in winter, although it might make us feel good. So what would be ideal is a lukewarm or something at room temperature, the water at room temperature. And the other common myth is that a sunscreen is not needed because it's not hot, we are indoor all the time, which is again not true because we tend to be outdoors for more hours in winter because of the pleasant weather, the vacation holiday season and things like that, and we are exposed to more sunlight or UV light. In addition to this, dry skin makes the skin very sensitive to sunlight. Missing a sunscreen is not at all recommended during any part of the year, especially so in winter. There's a common myth that dry skin causes skin allergies, but in reality, in winters when the skin is really dry, the sensitivity to allergens like pollutants, pollen is higher, and so in winters we see a lot more allergies than during the other months. So to prevent this, the best thing is to follow a good cleanse, moisturize, sun protect regime and pick your products depending on the condition of your skin at that point, and not what you have been using in a different state, in a different city or at different time of the year, because even oily skins or combination skin tend to become dry during winter.